What's going on, YouTube? It's Andy the ParrotHead Picker coming at you today with a quick little instructional video on how to date a ZIPPO lighter. No, not take it out on a date. How to authenticate its age. Anyway, so you guys might ask yourself, what made you come up with this idea, to bring us that kind of video and what have you today. When I'm out garage sailing, thrifting, or whatever, I'm always looking at different things. ZIPPO lighters are one thing that I do happen to pick up from time to time, and when I do grab them, I like to verify their age, and so I can look up comps and what have you. The other day, I picked up this really cool, and I don't know how well you can see this, Operation Desert Storm. Yeah, it's going to get a glare, but anyway, Desert Storm ZIPPO lighter. Now, I know about how old this is just because when I graduated high school, that's when Operation Desert Storm was going on. So that puts this lighter at about 25, 27 years old. But I need to verify that this lighter is from that time period, and this isn't maybe a repop or something like that. So on the bottom of the lighter, yeah, hopefully this will zoom in. Okay, guys, on the bottom there, you can see where it says ZIPPO. There's a letter B, and then there's some Roman numerals. It says VII. All right. The Roman numerals are the actual year on this one here, and the B is the date code. The B actually translates to February. The date code system for months is A, B, C, D, I believe all the way to L, whatever the first 12 letters of the alphabet are. Each one is a date. So January is A, February is B. You guys get the idea. Then the font in the middle there, they have three different fonts throughout the years. 1933 to 1955, they used one font. 1955 to 1979, they used a different font. And then from 1980 to present, they use a font that's like on this one. It's just the ZIPPO logo, and it'll have a flame above the I. So right away, I know just by looking at the logo on this lighter that this is no older than 1980. So anyway, then the date codes, like I said, this one had the Roman numeral on it, the VII. That translates to 1991. Some of the other date codes that they use, from 58 to 64, it was a series of dots. I will put the chart up so you guys can see what all those look like, and then I will also put a link in the description below so you guys can download the chart like to your phone or whatever, so when you're out in the field, you guys can look these up real quick, find out how old a lighter is or what have you. 1966 and 1972, it was a series of vertical lines. 74 to 81, a series of forward slashes. 1982 to June of 1986, it was a series of backslashes. And then from July 86 till 2000, it used Roman numerals. So that's where this one falls in, 1986 to 2000. So anyway, on the chart, you just go over to where the Roman numerals are, and you just look for whichever one you have, and then it'll go across, and it'll say that VII equals 1991. Then from 2001 to present, it uses the last two numbers of the year. So from 2001, it ends in 01. 2002, it's 02. Those are the easy ones to figure out because you just got to look at them, you know what they are. Those are the value on those, probably not near as much as, like on this one here. So anyway, like I said, I hope that helps you guys out. That way, when you guys are out and about and you guys happen to pick up ZIPPOs or you're looking at them, you'll know if you have something vintage or not that may have some collectability. Also, like I said, it'll help you look up, when you're trying to do comps and stuff like that. That hey, I've got a 1964 ZIPPO, and when you're doing your research and stuff, it just gives you a little better idea of a value and what have you. Another thing I usually always look for. The flint, you don't have to usually worry about it having a wick or anything like that because these things are all replaceable. One thing I do usually always do though is just make sure the flint's all good, and I'll roll it just to make sure it's sparking. Actually, on this lighter here, I have this lighter up for sale right now. Guy just actually sent me a message just a little bit ago asking if the lighter sparks. So I wrote him back and said yes. So we'll see if if he gets back a hold of me or not. But anyway, guys, I hope you found this video helpful, for when you're out there and what have you. And, if you did, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And, if you'd like to see some other instructional videos or whatever, I'd love to put together some stuff like that for you as well. So anyway, that's going to do it. That's my time. Thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, Fins up. Bye, everybody.